Hey, Lila.
Yeah?
Where are we going?
Alaska?
This is Camping with Kayla. 7 days in Alaska. We hopped on a plane in Seattle, Washington, and flew to Anchorage, Alaska.
Day 1.
I'm so excited to go to Alaska, but I'm not excited to go on a plane because I don't really like planes. Me and my dad watched If. Get it? Imaginary Friends?
One eternity later.
It kind of felt like an eternity.
It was only 3 hours. We've done longer road trips.
OMG, check this out. We're in Alaska! Oh, I'm exhausted after this long trip. I'm excited to go to sleep. Mom, did you record me sleeping?
Seriously, Mom? Day 2.
On our second day in Alaska, we got up early and jumped on the Alaska Railroad to take a train to Denali National Park.
We had to take a taxi and then the bus to get to the train.
We were on the Explorer Dome train. This means we were able to enjoy the view under a large dome window. The train ride to Denali took about 8 hours.
We were enjoying our day looking at the window for wildlife. We also went down to the observation deck. We also got to eat on the train, which that was awesome.
Holy moly, check out that hot chocolate.
Oh, that's good. That's so good. I eat the burger. My dad eats the veggies because I really hate veggies.
This is a good burger.
Whoa.
After our 8-hour train ride to Denali, we had exactly 20 minutes to check into our hotel, change into warm clothes, and get on our bus for our rafting tour.
It was close, but we made it.
We changed into our dry suits and headed to the Nenana River for a scenic mild water excursion.
This family-friendly trip took us 11 miles in 2 hours.
This was our guide and he was hilarious.
It'll be good. It'll be good. It'll be good.
Sort of. Maybe I'll just try to get it on your side.
Here we go.
Yes, get on my side.
Oh my, here we go. Here we go.
Let's go.
I tried to keep you dry. Did it work?
No, I got the
Wet it.
Maybe I should have done the other angle.
Oh, no, you didn't.
Well, I'm what now?
Well, now we can hit some more, right?
Yep.
Fine, whatever.
Oh, here we go.
Up here and everyone's like, oh, hey, Trey.
Oh, here it comes.
That's pretty funny.
Yeah.
If there's a rat coming up.
Uh-oh.
Oh no! Rafting was fun, but I got a lot of water in my socks and I was very, very cold.
Day 3.
During the day, we stayed at our hotel. During the evening, we went on a bus to Denali National Park to see some wildlife. We saw a lot of wildlife, including 7 bears and a wolf. Do you see all 3 bears? There's the wolf.
To see more of our bus tour to Denali, be sure to check out our video on YouTube.
Day 4.
On day 4, we took a bus from Denali to Anchorage to Seward. The whole trip took 10 hours.
There's Denali. Denali is the tallest mountain in North America and the 3rd tallest in the world.
We were so lucky. On our stop in Talkeetna, we were able to see the mountain clearly. Only 30% of tourists are able to see the whole mountain. Fun fact, the mayor of the town of Talkeetna is a cat named Aurora.
In Anchorage, we stopped for lunch at the 49th State Brewery.
Then back on the bus until we made it to our hotel in Seward.
Day 5.
We took a bus to the harbor, then jumped on a boat for the Kenai Fjords tour.
Our boat tour was incredible. We saw glaciers, seals, otters, puffins, and even whales.
To see more from our Kenai Fjords tour, be sure to check out our video on YouTube.
Did you see the harbor seal? If you are ever in Alaska, definitely take the boat tour. It's amazing. After our 6-hour boat tour, we made our way to the Alaska Railroad to head back to Anchorage.
We didn't have a dome view this time, but we did have reclining seats. Our train ride back to Anchorage took about 3 hours.
We were able to see more glaciers that you can't see from the road.
Another busy day, but loving every minute. Day 6.
On our 6th day, my dad rented a car and we drove around on our own.
First, we went to Anchorage Overlook Trail.
It was a little windy. We didn't stay long because it's too cold.
After that, we jumped into the car and took a scenic drive to see the Matanuska Glacier. The Matanuska Glacier is 27 miles of ice and is the largest in the country that can be reached by a vehicle.
After that, we made our way to Anton Anderson Memorial Tunnel.
Did you see how much the weather changed?
This is the longest tunnel in North America, right, Mom? Yes. And it shows it with the train. Look at that.
This is the longest highway tunnel in North America at 2.5 miles. It is a one-way tunnel that is shared by cars and trains, and it took us about 8 minutes to drive through. The tunnel takes you to the town of Whittier.
A few minutes later.
a very long tunnel.
I'm singing text one like the windows down.
A few minutes later.
I think I see light. Alright, here we go, out of the tunnel. Whittier is a beautiful coastal town surrounded by mountains. We were personally captivated by the gorgeous waterfalls.
We didn't stay in the town long because we didn't want to wait to get back to the tunnel. Day 7.
Our last day was mostly spent in the airport, but we did get to have halibut one last time before flying back to Seattle. Our adventures didn't end there. Be sure to check out our next video when we visited Vancouver and Victoria in British Columbia. Hi! We're in a random vehicle. My mom's filming us, I guess. Bye. Transformers, roll out! Oh, yeah.
It's supposed to be Autobots roll out.
Autobots, roll out! Oh, no, that's not good. This is how you do it. Autobots, roll out! On day 4, we took a bus from Denali to Anchorage to Seward.
Perfect.
I almost said Squidward. You got me?
SpongeBob
SquarePants! Toad.
Do you know the whole song?
No.
Oh.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants!
Absorbent and yellow and porous is he.
SpongeBob SquarePants!
His nautical nonsense be something you wish.
SpongeBob SquarePants!
And drop on the deck and flop like a fish.
SpongeBob SquarePants!
Ready? SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. There it is. Okay. One,
Now,
2.
now you know what I gotta do? Shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, 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 shake. And we're done. It'll come out later. Don't worry, Mom. That's safe right next to me for you. I say a 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Thanks for watching. For more information about Alaska, don't forget to check out our other videos: Kenai Fjord Boat Tour, Wildlife Scavenger Hunt in Denali, and Rafting in Alaska.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.